Hi, my name's Simon and I was teaching in Bangkok for 4 years. I heard about Aristotle's cafe through a friend and decided to go along. And after a number of sessions, the facilitator Hassan asked me to facilitate, and so I thought, well, luckily as a teacher I already have a number of qualities that I thought could help. For example, speaking in front of a group, having knowledge about non-verbal communications, how to direct conversations and lead group discussions. And I found that after facilitating a number of sessions, it really enhanced my teaching in the classroom, and I really became aware of sensitive group dynamics, how important keeping all participants engaged and active in the discussions, and also how important it is to empower them by giving them a platform so they could have their voice heard in a respectful environment. And so after honing in on these skills, I found that not only did I become a better person, but I really found that my teaching practice developed greatly. So anyway, I thought I'd share my thoughts with you and my experiences as a facilitator, and I hope this helps. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.